Director General, I'm Nino Jen Alahid, second year aeronautical engineering student at CATS Aero College. I just have two questions. First one is that as an aeronautical engineer student, we are required to have an aeronautical engineering practice or on-the-job training to complete our studies as an aeronautical engineer. So does the agency offer on-the-job training for students who are interested to work in the Philippine space industry? And the second question is that what opportunities does the agency provide for aeronautical engineers at the dawn of the Philippine space age?
Thank you for the question. Yes, we do. The answer is we provide opportunities of OJT and immersion. Quite limited though, because we don't have large facilities yet. Our office is on the 29th floor of Cyber One building in Eastwood, in Quezon City. We get a good sunrise to sunset view in Metro Manila. But before we were in the university, we are accommodating OJTs and internships from aerospace engineering, from any engineering, any sciences, computer scientists, or even architectural students are asking if they can do internship at the space agency. Well, mostly they're asking for information for their thesis because they have to design like a space complex. Believe me, we have get about 100 requests every year. No, not every year. Like every term. No? There's a peak season where these requests increase. From the university, it's thesis time, right? So you can email, what's the email address? info@philsci. Yun na lang, kasi that's our general, to ask for OJT. But what we do here is, when we engage the students for immersion and internships, we want to talk to the schools as an institution. Because you might have a requirement for number of hours, etc. And it's not scalable, sustainable to deal with an individual student basis. So we tend to have an agreement with the school, and from there, that allows the students to consider PhilSA as an OJT. But honestly, we only are able to accommodate a handful. Recently, in the St. Benil in De La Salle, they have a course on diplomacy, a foreign service. They're asking us also for internships. And we do have 3 or 4 students from that university interning in PhilSA on international cooperation, space international cooperation. So yes, it's possible. Okay? But yeah, aerospace, kasi aeronautic. I just want to emphasize, what our country built and legislated and built is a space agency, not an aerospace agency. So unfortunately, we don't have the aero part of it. Okay? Yung airplane, NASA is actually here right now in the Philippines. I wasn't able to hold this afternoon because I have to be here. But they're in Clark. They're flying airplanes. We forget NASA. The second A is aeronautics. And S is space. Aeronautics is space aviation. So people are surprised. Why are they not talking to you? Are they talking to DNR? Well, you forget NASA also flies airplanes. And they have pilots. And they use these airplanes to measure air quality. But we're involved because we use satellites to measure air quality. So yun lang, but certainly with the space side of it, like what you've seen here, if you're interested in these CubeSats, in things that go into space, in processing satellite imagery, if that's something that you can branch out to you're interested in, then there are opportunities there as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, DG. Okay.